So in this video we are going to have a look at the MediaMod for the GoPro Hero 9 and 10. I bought this from Facebook Marketplace. It was $70 rather than the retail $130. These are Australian dollars, by the way. So let's do a quick unboxing, switch to the GoPro, and let's listen to the difference between the different microphones. And what I mean by that is we will use the normal inbuilt GoPro mic. We will have a non-powered cheap Lav mic I've got a Boya powered Lav mic and this Arimic, so it was, you know, quite a cheap shotgun mic. Let's hear the difference, and in the meantime let's do this unboxing. So here we have the MediaMod box. As you can see, it's got a directional mic, a 3.5mm mic port, HDMI out, and the USB-C port. Wind cover for the inbuilt mic on the MediaMod, and I'll pretty much just skip this up because this is me just fumbling trying to unbox all of these other little parts. Here you have a cold shoe mount, and another cold shoe mount on the side, and you open it with your fingernail like this. So I'm just going to quickly demonstrate how you insert it. I've decided to just take the door off. Here I'm going to open it with my fingernail as I showed you before. Slide it right in just like that. The USB-C connector will connect and snap it in just like that. On the back you can see the 3.5mm mic port. Here you've got the USB-C port, and over here you have the HDMI out. This is the audio out of the standard GoPro microphone. The brown fox jumped over the log. The brown fox jumped over the log. This is using the inbuilt directional microphone. The brown fox jumps over the log. The brown fox jumps over the log. This is my Boya mic, powered Lav. The brown fox jumps over the log. The brown fox jumps over the log. Now this is my shotgun mic with no windshield or like dead cat. And I should add that when I did the inbuilt one for the GoPro directional, the actual mod, I didn't put this windshield on it either. The brown fox jumps over the log. The brown fox jumps over the log. Put in the description below which one you think sounds the best, and I will stop looking at this microphone because it's like it's just staring at me. It's okay if a lens is staring at me because that's you guys, but it's like this is listening to everything I'm saying. Well, I'm probably going to wrap this up, but I will put chapter markers in all of them,